Hey champion, now we'll understand the concept of organizing. Organizing का मतलब assemble करना या फिर order में लाना. हिंदी में वो कहते हैं ना संगठित करना. So when we get things in order, assemble और संगठित करना, इसको हम कहते हैं organizing. Organizing management का वो function है which is known as the process of implementing plans. Once the planning function is over, उन थॉट्स को इंप्लीमेंट करने का जो प्रोसेस होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑर्गेनाइजिंग. इनफैक्ट दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर आइडेंटिफाइंग एंड ग्रुपिंग द वर्क. आई विल रिपीट, आइडेंटिफाइंग एंड ग्रुपिंग द वर्क व्हाट नीड्स टू बी परफॉर्म्ड. एंड दिस इज द सेम फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट हु इज असाइनिंग ड्यूटीज टू द जॉब पोजिशंस. जॉब पोजिशन मतलब किस इंसान को किस तरीके की ड्यूटीज परफॉर्म करनी है. That is a part of organizing, and it also establishes the relationship for the purposes of accomplishing the objectives. तो establishing relationship के कौन सा individual कौन सा काम करेगा जिससे objective achieve होगा, that is known as process of organizing. Now let us understand this function with the help of example. Just visualize the last party you hosted. A party could be a Christmas party, Diwali party or a New Year's party. और इस पार्टी में You hired an entire team who was responsible to cook the food. ताकि खाना अच्छा होना चाहिए, palatable होना चाहिए. You hired 15 to 20 individuals who were responsible to serve the food. You hired 3 different individuals who were responsible for a great decor. And then there was a team who was handling the entire lighting and the music system. You and your family were responsible to greet all the guests who came to your place. Can you even imagine the organizing function which was going through in the entire process when this party was conducted? So that was an organizing function. If I go by the book, the definition says organizing is defined as a process that initiates implementation of plans. I'll repeat, initiates the implementation of plans. How do they do this? They do this by clarifying jobs and working relationships. In fact, they effectively deploy the resources to achieve the desired goals. So that is what the organizing function is.